Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into fonts.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in fonts.com and press enter. Wait for the fonts.com homepage to load. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you have filled in your details, click the Login button. Wait for the page to reload after you click the button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. In case of an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you continue to experience issues, consider resetting your password using the earlier mentioned link. After successfully logging in, you can access all the features of fonts.com. Explore various fonts or upload your projects as needed. Enjoy your time on fonts.com as you enhance your typography projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.